Good afternoon, my babies. I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday and it's your English class. Let's begin the class. Look at these letters. These letters are small. Now, look at capital letters. All these are capital letters. Now, when do we use capital letters? We write the first letter capital when we write the special names of people. Look at the first letter. N in Neha, S in Sita, R in Ruby, A in Anil, M in Mala, J in Jack, J in Jill. All these letters are capital letters. Now, name of places. India, New Delhi, China, Vasant Kunj, Chhatapur, Mahipalpur, Taj Mahal. Look at the first letter. The first letter is capital. Now, name of pets. Kitty, Tommy, Lucy, Tom, Tyson. Look at the first letter. K in Kitty, T in Tommy, L in Lucy, T in Tom and T in Tyson. All these letters are capital letters. Name of companies. Apple, Dettol, Samsung. Look at the first letter. All the first letters are capital. Name of subjects. Maths, English, Hindi, EVS. Look at the first letter. Name of festivals. Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan. H in Holi, D in Diwali, Raksha, R in Raksha and B in Bandhan. All the first letters are capital. Days of the week. Look at the first letter. S in Sunday, M in Monday, T in Tuesday, W in Wednesday, T in Thursday, F in Friday, S in Saturday. All the first letters are capital. Now, let's sing a song.
Hi kids! Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Now,
Months of the year. J in January, F in February, M in March, A in April, M in May, J in June, J in July, A in August, S in September, O in October, N in November and D in December. All the first letters are capital. Please observe. Beginning of sentences. Here, 6 sentences are given. That is a mill. T is capital. This is a well. T is capital. The well is full of water. The well has a wall. There is a bell on the wall. Jill pulls the bell. Look at the first letter. T and J are in capital. The letter I. When we talk about ourselves, may I come in? Look at I. I is capital. I am a girl. Can I dance? My friend and I study in class 1. Headings. Neha in a jeep. N is capital and G is also capital. The big bell. T in the, B in big and B in bell. All the first letters are capital. A. Funny funny zoo. Look at the first letter. Kitty the naughty cat. K in kitty, T in the, N in naughty and C in cat. All the letters are capital. Use of full stop. We use full stop at the end of the sentence. Jack has a ball. Full stop. Jill has a doll. Jill is small. Jack is tall. Jack calls Jill. Circle the word which should start with capital letter and write them below. Neha. Neha is a name, so N should be capital. It's wrong. Agra. Agra is a place. A should be capital. India Gate. India Gate is also a place. I in India and G in gate should be capital. Sunday. S should be capital. Delhi is also a place. D capital. January is a month. J capital. Tommy is a name. T capital. Maruti is also a name. M capital. Diwali is a festival. D capital. Kitty, K capital. Thank you so much everyone. Keep on learning. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.